Easily you come to know 20 minutes. Okay, 8:10 a.m. to 8:30. The duration time is 20 minutes. How many minutes? 20 minutes. Understood how to subtract? Same way how you generally do subtraction, but for every time while borrowing in other numbers we borrow 1, but here in time we borrow 6, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That only you will keep in your mind. 4:30 p.m. to 4:35 p.m. to 5:50 p.m. PM to PM is very easy. Subtract 550 minus 435. Okay, 0 minus 5 not going here. See, here you have to pay attention how you will subtract, because whenever the upper number is small, while timing, this is minute and this is hour, already you know. Okay, but here from upper number is smaller than the lower number, how to subtract? Here, time subtraction. Generally, whenever subtract, you take borrow from the side friend 1. But here, what to do? 60 minutes. Okay, here. So, here for ones place, means is ones place, 1 only will take 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. Okay, 5. Understood? Now, here 4 is there. 4 is there. 4 minus 3, 1. So ones place, from the ones place to say tens place, if you are borrowing, here for the minutes it's 1 only. But from here means if the tens place number means less than the down number, so whenever you will take borrow from the our hand, at the time you will take 6, because 60 minutes you are taking here. That's why you will borrow 6. But here we are not taking borrow. Okay. So directly here 5 was there, you took here. So it become now 4. 4 minus 3, it is 1. Now here remain. We did not take borrow from here because already it was bigger number. Now here 5 was there. 5 minus 4, it is 1. So how much time it is? In between 4:35 p.m. to 5:50, its time duration is 1 hour 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes. 15 minutes. But our question was you have to write in minutes. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Our question was you have to write in minutes. Okay, how many minutes are there? Question was. That's why we have to convert it into minutes. So 1 hour you will convert it in minutes, means 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So this 60 minutes plus this 15 minutes. Okay, so we will add now 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. So how many minutes it is? Total 75 minutes. 4:35 p.m. to 5:50 p.m. it is. Between the time is, duration is 75 minutes it is. Now understood? Next, how convert? Next you will learn 11:55 a.m. to 12:10 p.m. Okay, suppose 12:10 p.m. it is. Same way, 12:10 minus 11:55. This is minute, this is hour. So 0 minus 5 not going, again borrow. So 10 minus 5, 5. Now here it become, you took here means 10, it's now he 1 he has given to 1 here, so it becomes 0 now. 0 minus 5 is not possible again. What to do here? We have to borrow from our hand. Whenever we borrow from our hand, I told before this question, I told whenever we to take borrow from the our hand, what we will take? 60 minutes. So means 6. We will take 6 because 60 minutes we are taking here. 2 minutes means 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Understood? 60 minutes is taking, that's why we are writing here 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Now here what is remain? If 60 minutes given here means 1 hour given here. So here it is 1. 1 remain. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. So what is, how many minutes it is? Duration, timing 11:55 to 12:10. It takes 15 minutes. How many minutes? 15 minutes. I hope you understood how to find out the time duration between from this number to this number. You have to subtract it. Okay. Conversion you will okay. Conversion means minute to hours, hour to minute. Okay. Convert hours. Convert minute to hours. Here what we are converting? Hours. Means minute to hours. So how many minutes equal to 1 hour? 60 minutes equal to, remember this, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Means 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Suppose I will give the question. Suppose 86 minutes equal to dash hour. I have given you 86 minutes. You have to convert it into dash hour. How you will convert it? You will divide this. What we will divide with which number? What it is given? 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So we will divide this number with 60. Okay. So we will divide with 60 because 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Whenever we convert minutes to hours, we need to divide the number of minutes with 60. Understood? To get the hours. So 86 will divide by 60. 60 ones are 60. 6 minus 0, 6. Now 8 minus 6, 2. What is remain? 26. This is means minutes. So 1 minute, how many? 1 hour, how many minutes? It is, we can write is 1 hour 26 minutes. Yes, it is 1 hour 26 minutes. Means we will write as 1 hour 1.26. You can write. This is 1 hour 26 minutes. As 1.26. When we will convert hours to minutes. One kade. Hours to minute. At the time we need to 1 hour equal to, we know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Here what we will do, while converting hour to minutes, we need to multiply the number of hours by 60. Here opposite of that. Whenever we are converting hours to minutes, we need to multiply the number of hours with 60. And whatever the minutes already it is there, we can add with that minutes. Okay. Suppose here given 3 hours. How we will convert it into minutes? Just this 3 multiplied by what? 60 equal to 3 6 are 18 and 0. So how many minutes it is? 180 minutes. Just we need to multiply. Suppose the question is given 4 hours 36 minutes. How you will come do? Because two numbers here came. Hours also came, minutes also came. Now this I will explain. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 4 hours equal to this 4 multiplied by 60. 6 4s are 24. 240 minutes. It came to 40. First we converted this in minutes. Then whatever the minute given here 36, that we will add with this. Okay, this completely this become now minutes. This 246 plus 36 minutes. Now it will become 0 plus 6, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, and 276 minutes. When we convert 4 hours 36 minutes, it become 276 minutes total. Understood how to convert hours and minute? Okay? Thank you, children. I hope you understood everything. Now, based on this, tomorrow I am going to send the worksheet. Please try to do yourself. Thank you.